All right, this recording is going to kind of pick up where the last one left off and show you how to do a bar chart. And this assumes we already have the frequency chart. Once you have that frequency chart, it's really the same process as what we did to get the pie chart, except we're going to choose bar chart. So click on C1 and Control A to highlight that whole table, and then go to Insert. And instead of going to a pie chart, we're going to go to this bar chart. Be careful not to go to this one. This one's your histogram. It's in statistic charts. We're not ready for that just yet, but we will learn that later. But for now, we want bar charts. And the difference is, see how histograms don't have any space between the bars? So it's a little different. Bar charts do have space between each bar. So you see that space between the bars. So we can choose we don't want stacked, but I think 2D. And then we have our bar chart here, and this is count. So we have our counts on the left and our labels horizontal. I can, just like the pie chart, I can change it to the title. And just like the pie chart, I can add labels. And with this one, you might notice, let's see, you can put it on the center, you can put it inside the bar, on top, outside. Let's see, I like it on top of the bar, so I'll do it like that. On the bar chart, I like to kind of delete this key because it's not very helpful or useful in this particular chart. We have all our labels down here. So you can play around with how else you can edit this. You can change the colors, however you want to make it most appealing. And that is a bar chart.